Hi Achievers, welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say we are drinking milk. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. I like regular whole milk, but sometimes enjoy almond milk. What kind of milk do you like? Let me know in the comments below. Today we continue learning the verb to drink. A reminder that there is no difference between we drink and we are drinking in Russian. When we need to say we are drinking, in Russian we say мы пьем, where мы is we and пьем is our drinking. And altogether it's мы пьем. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word мы. The first sound is m, and then we have y. And altogether it's мы, which is Russian for we. Let's spell the word пьем. The first sound is p, then goes soft sign, and soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have p, then goes yo, and m. And altogether it's пьем, пьем, which is Russian for our drinking. So far, you've learned how to say we are drinking in Russian, where we is мы and our drinking is пьем. Do you remember what is Russian for we? Мы. Excellent. What about our drinking? Пьем. Well done. And the last new word for today is молоко. Молоко, which is Russian for milk. Let's spell the word молоко. The first sound is m, then goes o. It's unstressed and is pronounced as a. Then we have l, then goes o, which is again unstressed and is pronounced as a. Then goes k and o. And o at the end is stressed and is pronounced as o. And altogether it's молоко. Молоко. Try saying it with me. Молоко, which is Russian for milk. So far you've learned how to say we are drinking milk in Russian, where we is мы, our drinking is пьем, and milk is молоко. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Мы is we. Пьем is our drinking. Молоко is milk. Мы. Пьем. Пьем. Молоко. Молоко. Мы. Do you remember where the other мы is? Excellent. Пьем. Do you know where the other пьем is? Well done. Молоко. Молоко. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say we are drinking milk in Russian. We is мы, our drinking is пьем, and milk is молоко. And all together it's мы пьем молоко. And here is your bonus tip. Condensed milk is сгущенное молоко in Russian. You'll often hear native speakers refer to it simply as сгущенка. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.